January 1st, 2007. The world cheered, but few knew what was coming.
Hope, unity, joy. But underneath, the system was cracking.
A glitch in celebration, the first static in the signal. In the towers above, wealth toasted to its own reflection. Markets boomed, credit soared. No one asked, what if it all falls? Profits built on debt and denial. Subprime mortgages, the engine of an unseen collapse. In the Bronx, a family dreamed from the sidelines. Quiet love in a crumbling economy. Elsewhere, celebration meant nothing. They promised peace, but only silence filled the air. The signal was fading. But something new was forming. Far from Wall Street, the seed of rebellion stirred. He wasn't building money. He was building escape. The headlines screamed strength, but the code whispered truth. The media braced to paint another year of profit and peace. Optimism sold well, even on broken foundations. Signals crossed oceans. One spike in Tokyo. No one understood. When the noise faded, only echoes remained. A whisper passed between machines. It was almost time.